guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I feel like it's been so long since I filmed a video. I've missed you guys so much. Thank you so much for all your nice messages and comments asking about where I was, why I haven't posted. I have been really busy this past little end of November. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you know that I've recently gotten a new puppy, so my hands have been really full with that. Also, with every end of November comes both my mom and my daughter's birthday. This is wild, but they are born on the same day. But I was pretty much really busy with those things, but I'm ready to film more videos for you guys. And today I'm coming at you with a brand new tutorial. This time I'm gonna be doing a holiday look, a holiday glam, if you will, if you guys are going to any holiday parties, which I hope you aren't because of COVID. But just if you wanted to glam up for that day, make yourself feel special, definitely follow along this tutorial. I'm gonna be using, of course, the brand new Blood Money palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. I have not been able to put it down since using it. I know I did mention it in my review video, but I haven't been this excited about a JSC palette since Jawbreaker. This is truly amazing. Jeffree's really taken it there this time, and I'm obsessed. So yeah, guys, if you'd like to see a tutorial of me doing this look, then please keep watching. Guys, let's get started with this holiday glam. So the first shade we're gonna be going in with is this Private Island shade here. Now, something I really love about this palette, I did mention it in my original review, but I absolutely adore that every color in here, even this neutral looking brown, it really pulls an undertone of green, and I love that. You're getting this like grungy moment here. I have not been able to stop using this palette. I'm obsessed. I think Jeffree did so well with this one. I know I say that about all of them, but this has been my favorite one in so long. Obsessed. I'm gonna be going in with a medium blender. This is my Anastasia A25. And what I'm gonna do is just start in this outer corner here. Just kind of lay that on. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but as you can see, it's like an undertone of green to it, but it's like the most subtle, not in your face green. I'm obsessed. I have not stopped using this palette. It's the one that I'm reaching for. I think it's really wearable. Like, I could go on and on. So what I'm doing with this, as you guys can see, is I'm putting it on, and I'm doing slight circular motions as well as rocking. And we're just gonna bring that through the entire crease, kind of onto the eyelid as well. You can be a bit messy with it. We are gonna be cutting the crease. So guys, what do you think of Shane Dawson subtly making a return back on the internet? I, for one, am so freaking happy. You can ask Ian, ask my husband. I say at least once a day how much I miss Shane. And I posted about him recently on my Instagram, and he commented on the post. When I tell you I screamed out loud, I screamed. I was so excited. Oh my goodness. What do you think of him making his comeback? Are you happy to see him again? Leave me some thoughts on it. I'd love to talk about it with you guys. We're continuing to build this color up before we move on to our next shade. If you've been looking at this red lip, I cannot stop staring at my lips with this. This is the perfect red with Anna Nicole liner. I'm obsessed. This really is the perfect red, the perfect holiday red, guys. I'm obsessed with this new formula as well. It's so delicious. I almost want to eat it off my lips. So now we're going to be dipping in with our next shade. That is going to be this Equity shade here. And what I'm going to do is take that on that same blender, and I'm just pretty much going to be layering this on top of what we've already laid out. So as you can see, you're just getting like this little grungy green moment. It's not super in your face bright green. It's just so pretty, perfect for the holiday season in my opinion. Also for fall, really like. And as you can see, it's starting to just transform the eye look, giving you a nice smoky effect. This is such an approachable, easy eye look, like all of the eye looks I do here on this channel. You guys really enjoyed the last video I did where I did a simple eye versus a really bold eye. I can link that up here in case you guys missed it, but you really liked the simple eye. This is kind of like a take on that simple eye. I just wanted to zhuzh it up, make it a little bit more festive. I wanted to add a cut crease and a winged liner to make it really dramatic, and I just love where it took it. I cannot wait for Christmas. I'm definitely going to be rocking this look, and I'm so excited. So what are your guys' holiday plans? I know COVID has just absolutely killed anything of a normal Christmas. I'm not letting Christmas be ruined this year. I don't know about you guys, but like Christmas is one of my favorite seasons. I'm planning some really fun stuff here on this channel. If you guys are into my giveaways, you're gonna wanna stick around. I'm gonna be doing a lot of holiday fun stuff. I'm planning a really amazing giveaway for the holidays, so definitely guys stick around. As you know as well, we know we're gonna be getting mystery boxes again. This time it's winter mystery boxes. I feel like he called it winter mystery boxes because it's probably not going to be guaranteed to deliver right on time for Christmas. A lot of the boxes last year were not delivered on time for Christmas and everyone was really upset. So I think that he's calling it winter, but really it's probably gonna come by Christmas. He said it's gonna be out in about a week or so. Do you guys want me to do what I did last time? I bought all 3 tiers and opened them all. You guys really like that. And then I did a giant giveaway. So let me know if you're interested. I love doing giveaways here, as you know, and I like to spread that holiday cheer. This year, we need it more than any other year, in my opinion. So at this point, we're ready to move in with our darker shade. For that, I'm gonna be switching to a smaller blender. This is my Wayne Goss 19, and we're gonna be going in with this shade here, Persuasion. And I'm going to take that and I'm just literally going to concentrate it on this outer corner here. Just kind of putting tapping motions and then little smudgy motions. And then just slightly run that through the entire crease as well. What are your holiday plans? Are you planning on seeing your family? Leave me some comments down below. Let me know. I'm so interested to know what you guys are doing. I, for one, will be having a super low-key Christmas this year. Obviously with COVID and everything and trying to be safe, we're definitely gonna be keeping it low key, keeping it just immediate family, people living in my house. Toronto has gone on lockdown again, and can you tell? Can you tell? Yeah, we're on lockdown, people. We're on lockdown again. Once that shade has been placed on, we're gonna dip back in between Equity and Private Island here. And we're gonna go on top of what we just laid out just to make sure it's nice and blended into the rest of the eye look. At this point, we're ready to cut the crease. So what we're gonna be doing is going in with my MAC 242. This is filled with some Tarte Shape Tape. And what I'm gonna do is do one swipe down. We're gonna look up, see where that imprints, and start carving. Crease is cut and we're ready to go in with our shimmer. For that, we're gonna be dipping into probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. That is the shade CEO here. And what I'm gonna do is take that onto that same MAC 242. Now this has already been wiped off from the concealer, obviously. And then we're going to just tap, place that right on where we cut the crease. I love this brush because it just allows me to get right in there to the details so I can keep that crispness of the cut, which is what we're going for this look. We want it to be bright, festive, a little bit more dramatic for the holiday season. Why not play it up? Once that shade's been placed on, we're ready to dip into our next color. That is gonna be this tax-free shade here, and I absolutely love it. It just adds some depth to the corner here, and I really love the sultry way it makes the eye look. So what we're gonna do is take that same brush, and we're just going to tap right along where we have placed that gold in between the matte. This really helps with that gradient. After that's been put on, we're gonna re-deepen that outer corner just a little bit. First, we're gonna go in with Equity again here. We're just going to start to re-deepen that outer corner. And then finally on the ends, we're gonna go in with that same 19 with the Persuasion shade here. We're gonna really focus putting this just on the outer edge here because we don't want the look to be too deep. Feel like when you do that, it just ties everything together. It just really pulls and elongates the eye. I love the way that looks. That's pretty much it for the top portion of the eye look. What I'm gonna do now is quickly hop off camera. I'm gonna draw a winged liner. All the products that I use, as per usual, will be listed down below. So if you're curious about anything, please definitely take a look there. I'm also gonna pop on my lashes. Today I'm wearing Lily lashes in the style Rome, and then I will hop back on to do the lower lash line with you guys. All right, lashes and liner are on, and we're ready to move on to our lower lash line. So for that, I wanted to keep it nice and smoky. We really want a fun holiday glam here. So I'm gonna be going in with Persuasion here. That is that deep brown, and I'm gonna take that onto a flat liner brush, and we're just going to tight line this along the waterline. So we're just going to literally stamp, just like that along the waterline. To smoke that out just a little bit, we're going to go in with Private Island again, and we're going to take that on a teeny tiny blender. This is my Wayne Goss 20, and we're just going to very lightly smoke that out as well. Now we're gonna go in with one of the brand new automatic eyeliners. This is in the shade Cold Digger. It's a beautiful charcoaly brown, and we're going to line our waterline with that. And I'm gonna do that. A lot of you guys love when I do this because you can see the liners in action. As you can see, they're just so pigmented. They glide on so easy, and they last a really long time. When Ian originally did the swatches, he had a really hard time washing them off. We tried makeup wipe, we tried a bunch of things, and they really stuck on there. Obviously it comes off eventually, but they are long lasting. I can definitely attest to that. And then for the absolutely last step in our inner corner, we're gonna go in with Cold Hard Cash. This of course was one of the Extreme Frost that was part of the Blood Money collection. And I'm just literally going to tap, tap, tap. Like, do you see how impactful these are? It is literally insane. This brush is dry. So we're just going to pack that just for a little bit of holiday glitz and glam on that inner corner. We're just gonna pat that, and it is so beautiful. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for the eye look. I'm gonna quickly hop off camera, take these off, and come back to show you guys the finished look. All right, guys, ears are off, and this is the finished look. I love the way this turned out. I think it's perfect for the holiday seasons. I have to be honest, every single look I've done using the Blood Money palette, I've been absolutely in love with. I can't stress this enough, guys. If you've missed out on the last couple of palettes, grab this one. You will not regret it. This reminds me a lot of the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I always keep comparing it to that. That is one of my absolutely most loved non-Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes. And this is like that, but with more greens, which is really what I wanted from that original palette. I can't stress for you how much I absolutely love it. I feel like this perfect red lip, the Velvet Trap, really completed the holiday look, and I love the way it came out, and I really hope you liked it too. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, tomorrow I'm going to be coming out with another brand new video. This time it's going to be the giveaway winner reveal. I am so excited for you guys to see what this giveaway was made up of. As you guys know, there's been a giant giveaway going on here on my channel that's finally coming to an end. The winner will be revealed on Thursday. I cannot wait for you guys to see what's inside this box. As per usual, that video will be me unboxing everything that we've packed in there. This time, guys, I really think we took it there. I really am so happy with this giveaway box. I can't wait for you to see. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you haven't already. Please leave me a comment down below. What did you think of this eye look? Are there any specific colors in the Blood Money palette you'd like me to use next and to feature in one of my next tutorials? I would love to do that for you guys. And if you haven't already, guys, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.